Hey.
Oh shit, you there?
Yeah, you just cursed on Aiden's video though.
You what?
You just cursed on Aiden's video.
I'm sorry. I was in the bathroom, I used the bathroom, then I came out and put everything back in, and I cleaned up the bed area, and
I know, I heard you.
Huh?
I heard you.
You heard me?
Yeah.
Clean everything up?
Yeah, it even says on the video, it sounds like Daddy's back.
Yep.
And then you never came back.
Now switching channels, and I was like, man, nothing wrong. And then, God, I looked down, saw the phone and the red light, and I was like, oh crap.
Hey. He's awake.
Cold, so I put those pants on that you brought me. Thank you so much.
Oh yeah? Well, I didn't bring them for you.
Thank you anyway.
I left them for you.
Yourself.
Huh?
So thank you for caring about yourself.
Yeah. I left them for you though.
Yes. Yes, you did.
Oh, he has hiccups. He's got hiccups. And he's making such angry faces. I gotta sneeze on camera.
Yeah. They're so cute. These sneezes are the cutest, man.
I like his hiccups.
Yeah, they're alright.
Do you hear him?
Yes, I hear 'em.
Oh, I think he just
You're
farted.
You recording them right now?
Yeah? Sometimes the lighting gets really good. And then it just goes dull again. Oh, he's cross-eyed almost. Aiden! Hey, you! What you hiccuping for? Did you just eat?
Do you have socks on?
No. He's got pajamas on. Huh?
He's not barefoot, is he?
No. I've got 4 outfits on him and a blanket.
Oh, is that all?
Yeah. I'm thinking about putting, like, maybe a quilt over him, too. 'Cause he's cold. Okay, that was really cute.
That was a cough.
No, that was a sneeze.
Oh, was it?
Oh, yeah. And he made a face afterward like he was gonna do it again. It was really cute. You wanna see this?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you gonna go to sleep while I do this, or are you gonna cry? Oh, he's just looking up at me. Ah. Hi. Hi. Oh. No.